This is probably one of the most exciting announcements of 2024 for eXp Realty agents. This October in Miami at eXpCon 2024, eXp announced that every real estate agent at our brokerage will get free Canva Pro account. I don't know about you, but this is hugely impactful. It's going to help us level up big time. I can't wait to share with you how to get access and, most importantly, a couple of tips that's going to help better leverage this massive asset that now we have here at our brokerage. I'm going to do a quick intro and let's dive right in. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty Brokerage. I'm also a CRM peer coach with Inside Real Estate. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button so that we can learn and grow together. And just in case you don't know, I'm really bringing a lot of my own experiences onto this channel to share with you, from not only working in the marketing space for over a decade, and then now working closely with real estate agents to help them with growing their business, but also as an agent and as an investor. I bring a lot of those experiences here on this channel so we get to learn and grow together. Thank you so much for coming. So now let's talk about free Canva Pro account access here at eXp. This is so exciting. Honestly, when they announced this, I immediately knew this is one of those things that it's going to be a massive, massive game changer for our agents. And watch this. So if you were inside eXp, our workplace, this is where all 90 plus thousand agents, where we connect, collaborate, share information, answer questions, connect and ask questions with our brokers, so much more. They created this toolkit page for this partnership between eXp and Canva. So eXp has access to Canva Enterprise, which allows for every agents to get an account, which is amazing. And watch, this is a quick little video that you can watch, and getting access to your eXp Canva account. And the way, in case you don't know how to do that, so if you go to Okta, this is eXp Passport, you can click here because you're already logged in, which is what I love about this, is that you don't have to log in into multiple different platforms, exactly the way you would come and access eXp Workplace, Facebook Workplace. You're going to access Canva through here. And the moment you click on Canva, it's going to open up your Canva account, which I'm going to show you in a second and share a couple of tips with you. So first, I want to just quickly walk you through this page that they've created, which is a huge resource for all of you, from how to take better use to kind of better just discover Canva, and to have a good kickoff into leveraging Canva. You can check out some of those information here: an onboarding guide, a quick startup guide, and couple of questions, commonly asked questions, get answered here as well. Because remember, a lot of agents like you might have already had a Canva account. So what does this look like now that you have a free account? What is going to happen to the pro account that you've been paying all this time? So that gets answered in the frequently asked questions. So as you can see here, you can go ahead and download, have some tutorials, etc. And so much information is on this landing page. I highly recommend you browse through and have a look, and really start to dive right in and take advantage of all the pre-created, pre-made templates that are available for you. So watch this. So when you log into Canva, so when you come into Okta, click on Canva, it's going to already have you be logged in. And if you go to the top right hand corner, it says eXp Canva Enterprise, and it has my first name, last name, and my eXp email address. And if you come onto the left hand side, and if you click on brand, this is where you are going to access all of our eXp brand templates. Remember, it used to be in the eXp Marketing Center. Now you can access all of those templates right here, ready for you to edit and post, which is hugely impactful, saving you a ton of time. And the other big tip that I want to share with you is, watch this. If you are like me, who has thousands of pre-made templates done already using your other Canva account all these years, when you go to the top right hand menu and click on that, your other account is already integrated through here. So you can go ahead and cancel and get even your money back for the amount that you've already paid for, if you paid for an annual account. And you can continue to leverage your Canva account, and you can still toggle between your own account versus your eXp account. Because I had so many, like thousands of designs that I've done, in my personal business Canva account, now I can still have access to them because I don't want to go and transfer everything over one at a time. I can continue to use that and now be more active in the EXP one, leveraging all of the brand templates that are available here. So I don't know about you, but this is a huge game changer. And lastly, the other tip that I want to share with you is remember, folks, if you come to EXP's Facebook Workplace, there is a Facebook group that is available for you to ask questions. If you have any further question that isn't already answered on the landing page, the toolkit page, you can come here and ask. And you can see this is called EXP Canva Enterprise Group, and it's operated by the EXP marketing department, and you can ask all the questions here, which is really powerful. So this way we have an open communication with EXP. Remember, we're stakeholders in the company and we have ownership in the company. So the more we speak up and more we share information and work together and share expertise and feedback, and as you know, EXP is always listening, and like always, they never disappoint. And here's such a great example of what a tool like this, having it accessible for free, can do for our business. And I'm so excited to share this information with you. I hope you get a chance to watch all of this and it was helpful for you. And please let me know in the comment section below. And if there's any other videos you'd like to watch, I'll love to know. And once again, if you're looking to work with me, partner with me here at eXp Realty, the information is in the description below. Have a look, let me know, meet with me, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. I'll see you next time.